Convert this preparation into success. Luck is where is the... You are as meticulous. This will... Very good. X.
Benevolent Bank. A neoclassical beauty. But business calls. We're going to need some codes. So get to their servers. You know the drill. Watch for the guards and cameras. Keep civilians in check. Look around for keycards. And the bank manager. Anything that might help. The server room. Get me hooked up, guys. Patch me in. I can do some mischief from here. Damn it. Looks like we need local access. Most likely, one of the staff terminals. Figure out which one. Try them all if you have to. Connecting now. Better pray this is the right one.
That sounds like a brilliant idea.
And to think that I had almost given up on this idea.
Let's set up a meeting so we can explain the idea in greater detail.
That was the wrong computer. Try another one. Maybe there's a way to figure out which terminal we need. Accessing now. A professional doesn't need to kill those people, you know? No code. Try another one.
Next.
Connecting.
Kevin!
Next, please. Hi there. How may I be of assistance?
Hi.
Wrong terminal. Try another. Getting access.
Later with a gas
You want a massacre here?
at a profit.
Welcome. How can I be of assistance?
死体袋こっちや
Because I'm gonna build an Olympic standard platform and pool.
All right. Got the code. Start the time lock.
Have a great day.
And now we wait. Anyone have any good stories?
下がれカメラや死体袋を配置低く伏せるんや
Good thinking. Sometimes
You
taking
could
a
have-
hostage is the only answer.
ついてこんかい
Is anyone going to pick up the phone?
そこにおれ
Afternoon. This is the Benevolent Bank. You're speaking to Martin.
This is Janet Jensek. Our system's picked up an unscheduled activation of your time lock. I'm just calling to confirm everything is fine.
Yeah, everything's fine. Just a scheduling conflict. Had a major account holder turn up out of the blue.
I see. Sure, that happens. Okay, just try to call us beforehand next time.
Sure. Thanks for keeping us safe. Bye. Looks like we dodged that one. Gang, elevators are on the move. Expect company.
メラや。
That's the time lock done. Try and keep the sneak going. Now, the vault has a 3-step clearance control. The first I've already taken care of. Just head there and use the fingerprint scanner.
Kevin! 注意せえ、ケビンや。ケビンがおるな。
When it comes to sourcing things like thumps, I operate a don't ask, don't tell policy.
おるで、
Now
ケビ
get
ン。
to the security consoles. They're the keys for the doors inside the vault. Good find.
ケビンや、下がっとれ。ケビン。ケビンがおるな。注意せえ、ケビンや。ケビンがおるな。ケビンや、気ぃつけい。ケビンや、下がっとれ。ケビン。下がれ、カメラや。おるで、ケビン。ケビン。おるで、ケビン。
That's the first console. Now the second. Almost there. Final protocol. The manager's code. Check his computer. Connected. Let's see what we have.
ケビン。
Got the code. Get back to the vault.
ケビン。ケビンや、気ぃつけい。ケビン。
That's it. Great job, gang.
ケビン。注意せえ、ケビンや。ケビン。
All doors have keys. If you want to do this quietly, find the keys. I got the van in the garage, but you need to go through the elevator shaft.
Keep in. カメラや注意しろ警備員。警備員。カメラに注意せえ。カメラや注意しろ。警備員。警備員や下がっとれ。カメラや。
Now climb down and get the bags to the van. Watch your step.
警備員。警備員。警備員や下がっとれ。注意せえ警備員や。警備員。警備員。注意せえ警備員や。警備員や気ぃつけい。警備員。注意せえ警備員や。おるで警備員。警備員がおるな。警備員。警備員。警備員。注意せえ警備員や。警備員。警備員がおるな。
You can finish this now, or you can... This is a historic day, gang. You finally cracked the benevolent.
You have delivered as promised. You proposed a plan, and you